We've been tasked with heating all the domestic hot water for this 15-story residential tower. That's a big responsibility. What makes this unique project stand out is that we've located all of our gear on the rooftop. That means a big crane, and that's always exciting. So this is the planned shutdown and replacement of these old boilers. The building owner and the mechanical contractor can't leave the residence without hot water. That's where Cool Air comes in. For domestic hot water heating, that is water that's used for cooking, cleaning, showering, it has to be potable. That means drinkable. We have a complete line of heat exchangers, fittings, and hoses that maintain and deliver this standard. Think clean. Prior to the old system being removed, our gear gets set up and tested. When the switchover takes place, the residents won't notice a difference. Once a new system is completed, the contractors will undergo a startup and an initial commissioning. Run the new system and test it. Once the building people have confidence, it's time to roll up our gear and head off to the next project. Does this kind of project sound like something you, your building manager, your mechanical contractor might be able to utilize? Call us, email us. You'll be amazed at how effective a Cool Air solution can be.